scene and began striking our victim in the face and head area.
Two people were taken to the hospital. Several suspects out of town, possibly from New York. Officials say
Civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Pennsylvania, effective until September 16, 2012, 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
What the fuck?
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Oh.
Of Albany as well. Some of those downpours.
a test.
Ooh. Hello, KYW. Still waiting on your ass. Back Tennessee too.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
There you go.
Why the Philly School District is considered...
Oh my god, you finally did it. Oh. Waiting on WMMR. Fun fact, WMMR tested as soon as I stopped listening to the station.